In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify login problem, step by step. Let's start simple. Open the Spotify app on your device and see if it lets you sign in. Sometimes a quick launch can clear a minor hiccup. If it still won't log you in, don't worry, we'll go a bit deeper and make sure the app itself is ready to go. Now, update the app, open the Play Store on your device, tap the search icon and type Spotify. If you see an update button, tap it and let the latest version install. Updates often include bug fixes that directly address login issues. If you only see open, that means you're already up to date. Once that's done, go back to your device's home screen. From here, we'll adjust the app's settings to give Spotify a clean start. Press and hold the Spotify app icon until a small menu appears, then tap App Info. This opens the system settings screen for Spotify, where we can manage how it runs on your device. First, force stop the app. Tap Force Stop to close Spotify completely. This shuts down any background processes that might be stuck or conflicting with login. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead. Next, clear the app data. Tap Storage Usage, then select Clear Data and confirm by tapping Delete. This resets Spotify to its default state on your device and removes temporary files that can cause login loops. Keep in mind this will remove app data, including downloads and saved settings, and you'll need to sign in again after this step. Your playlists and library tied to your account remain safe in the cloud. Before you reopen Spotify, quickly check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and stable. If web pages or other apps are slow or not loading, the login issue may be network related. A strong, consistent connection helps Spotify verify your account without timing out. Now, open Spotify again and try logging in. Since we cleared the data, the app is starting fresh, which often resolves stubborn sign-in errors. Enter your account details carefully and give it a moment to connect. If everything went smoothly, you should be right back into your music with a clean and updated app environment. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.